slide 吗？
对。
你喜欢这样做还是？Okay, so this is our proposal, which is a smart home with pink car, and it's presented by CityU team, and using this pink board. Okay, so first, our supervisor is Dr. Ray Suzuchang, and these are our team members, Linja, Jerry, Ela, Nidhi, and Shuto. So I'm Jerry, and I will be presenting you with this proposal. So this is our proposal, and it's about a smart home. So I know the concept smart is really popular these days. There are smart cities and smart retails. So we're thinking about why not smart home with this pink car. So the things that we care about smart home is the home comfort and also the home security. So we're guaranteeing the home comfort by using the sensors applied on the pink car. For example, we have the sensors to check the temperature in the room and also the humidity in the room. And apart from that, nowadays we know that we want to secure our home. So home security is also one of our concerns. So there are a camera that we apply to the car, and with this camera, we can be able to detect the strangers that are not welcome at our home. So for this proposal, our pink car has two working modes. The first is an automatic mode, which is very similar to the competition in the first phase. So we have this basic function of avoiding the obstacles and also moving along the roads. So that helps our car to automatically inspect the home, so it can wander around at home. And then there are also the second feature is a remote control mode. So as the owner of the house, we want to check how our house is operating, and also we want to check the conditions at home. So we have this remote control mode where you can use this IoT feature of the car. So it will let you control the car's motion remotely on the cloud. So I will explain these two modes in details. So as you can see, the first mode is an automatic mode. It's on the left. So the car will basically wander at home, and it will avoid the obstacles. So this is what we have completed in the first phase of our competition. And also, we want to propose this remote control mode. So you can see we're using the phones here as a controller, and we are passing the data to the cloud console, and we can use our devices at hand, for example, iPads or phones, and so then we can direct the cars to the position that we want it to be. So this is the interaction. So for a pink car, we can collect data such as the temperature, the brightness of the room, the humidity, and also the images. So with this data, we're able to decide whether we want to turn on the air conditioner, we want to turn off the lights. So all these data are transmitted to the cloud, and so then we can check this data on our applications on our devices like phones or computers. So we are applying this index analyzing and also picture processing for face recognition for the security feature. So this is the interaction between the devices. So with this IoT feature, we can control, as I have mentioned, the air conditioner, the humidifier, and also the alarm. For example, if the temperature gets too high in the room, we know that there may be a fire, or the intelligent plant care system. So a lot of people like to keep a few plants at home to make it greener. So we want to know when to water it and when we should not. So this can also help you to manage your home. So this is a diagram we illustrated. So these are your home here. So a lot of people have very large apartments, but they are very busy from work. They don't have time to stay at home and check if conditions are fine at home all the time. But with our implementation, we get this ping home application on the phone. So while you're miles away from your home, you still can inspect the conditions at your home. So this is really, I think, very urgent need for contemporary society. And this is also a short brief of our application. We have already been designing this. So it can guarantee the home comfort. So that as is illustrated for the hardware part here, we have humidity sensor and temperature sensor, so we can check the living condition and send the data to the cloud. Now look at this girl. Imagine that you are coming back from a business trip and you want to cool down the house before you arrive there. So with our pin card, that it can check the temperature in the room, and then it can send the data to the phone, and you can control the air conditioner with your phone. So this is very convenient for comforting your life. Also the home safety. So a camera is used to capture the real-time scenarios at home. And the hardware sets are here. So with this Wi-Fi module and webcam, the webcam can capture the real-time images. So if anyone shows up at home and that are not welcome, you can check them from your phone application because it is being connected to the Wi-Fi module. So the Wi-Fi module can send the data package to the cloud, and facial recognition is applied to check if any stranger breaks into your house. So this is an overview of our product. So the hardware part on the left, we're using the ultrasonic sensor for distance detecting, the grayscale sensor for running along the tracks, and also the Wi-Fi for IoT feature, and also the water sensor, temperature sensor for inspecting the condition at home. So this is like a 3D model of our work. Okay, so here is our phase 1 implementation. So it's for guaranteeing the automatic mode. But it's a pity due to the lack of some sensors, we cannot demonstrate the whole process of this smart home. But as I have presented, I think you guys will have a very clear view of what our proposal is about. So here is our action plan. So currently we are implementing the smart car design, and also we are meantime we are also concurrently doing this application design. So in the future, if we have chance to realize what we have designed, we can test and analyze the design and maybe enhance it. And in the future, if it can be really put into application, it will be a great chance. So that will be all. Thank you.
To start a demo, how many of sensors have been implemented?
Grayscale, ultrasonic, humidity, and temperature. I think 4 or 5 because we can also use the brightness sensor. So 4 to 5.
4 to 5.
Yeah. Finish.